Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics. What is entropy? Basic conception of entropy. As a matter of fact, it is very difficult to define the term entropy. In this figure, x-axis denoted volume V, y-axis denoted pressure P. 1, 2 is a process. This is the PV diagram. Under the curve 1, 2, area 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 represent work transfer. Okay. Similarly, in this figure, horizontal axis represent entropy S, vertical axis Y represent temperature T. 1, 2 is a process. This is TS diagram or temperature entropy diagram. Under the curve 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, area 1, 2, 3, 4 represent the heat transfer. This area represent the heat transfer. At this point, entropy at point 4 equal to entropy at point 1. At this point, entropy at point 3 equal to entropy at point 2. S3 समान S2. Okay. Now we try to understand what is entropy. Entropy is a measure of molecular disorder or randomness of a system. Molecular disorder means when it contains different kinds of molecules. Different kinds of molecules measure, or randomness of a system. Randomness means conception of physical system that of order and disorder, also known as randomness of a system. Here, gases have higher entropy than liquid, and liquid have higher entropy than solid. Because higher the disorder, greater is the increase of entropy. Okay. Again, we can say entropy is an extensive properties of a thermodynamic system. What is extensive property? Because the value of entropy depends on the mass of a system. When a system depends on mass, then it is called intensive property. Okay. Entropy is denoted by S or phi. Okay. By simple way, we can define entropy. Entropy can be defined. Entropy can be defined ds equal to dq by capital T. ds means change of entropy, dq change of heat transfer, T is the absolute temperature. So entropy can be defined such that a very small change of its value ds equal to a ratio of the small amount of heat transfer dq, this is dq, to the absolute temperature capital T, this is the absolute temperature capital T. So ds equal to dq by T, change of entropy equal to dq by T, small amount of heat transfer by absolute temperature. Okay. Now the increase in entropy is small when heat is added at higher temperature. When this temperature is high, then the increase in entropy is small. Okay. And entropy is greater when heat addition is at lower temperature. If this temperature is lower, then entropy is greater when heat addition at lower temperature. If this is lower temperature, then entropy is greater. Change of entropy is greater. Okay. Now, unit of entropy as ds equal to dq by capital T, where ds equal to very small change of entropy, it is denoted by kJ kilojoule per Kelvin. Kilojoule per Kelvin. Entropy is denoted by kilojoule per Kelvin. dq, very small amount of heat transfer dq, it is in kilojoule. T is the absolute temperature, it is in Kelvin. Okay. Now for specific entropy. Specific entropy means entropy per unit mass. Entropy per unit mass. Then unit of entropy is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Kilojoule per kg. Normally ds equal to kilojoule per Kelvin. For specific entropy, it is denoted by kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay. Now from the relation ds equal to dq by t, when t is 0, then entropy of a substance is taken 0 at 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin. When temperature 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin, then entropy of any substance is taken 0. Okay. It is clear, my student? Thank you.